All right, this here is a 2016 Ford F-550. This has a 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel engine, automatic transmission. So let's go dump on it. I think I pronounced that right. It's only got 81,000 miles on it, regular cab as you can see, 4-wheel drive. Pretty solid work truck. Needs a good detailing. Power locks and windows here. Vinyl seats. Headliner's dirty, but in good shape, not tore up or anything like that. All the books and stuff like that in there. Definitely has seen some asphalt, I think. Not really too sure, but like I said, needs a good detailing. No rust or anything like that though. Frame's in good shape. Look at the underside of the bed here. Good shape. Pintle hitch. I guess this is probably put your asphalt in there and it would spread through here. So not like a salt spreader or anything like that, which is nice. Praying mantis comes with the truck. As you can see, no rust or anything like that. Certified clean idle in California. If you ever want to take this thing to California. Like I said, power locks and windows, power adjustable mirrors, vinyl seats, manual 4-wheel drive down on the floor there. A little CB radio if you want to talk to other people on the job site. Easy communication. You have your cruise control. Oh shoot, hold on here. Reset. Okay, there you can see the mileage. It's got the My Key feature. I have not buckled my seatbelt, so the audio is muted. Safety first, folks. AM, FM radio, your Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your auxiliary power switches, trailer brake controls. I already said cruise control. So we're gonna go ahead, auxiliary 1, flip it on. That engages your PTO. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but it is engaged. This is your control for your dump. Press the button in. Oh, there we go. Dump bed goes up. Get out, take a look at it from there. Goes up pretty smoothly. Look at that. She's a beaut, ain't she? This thing had a little bit of water sitting in the bed. It's all solid though. It's just your little surface rust and dirt and stuff like that. Good cleaning, like I said, is all it needs. And overall, pretty good looking truck, solid truck. Come on, check it out.